Hi, I'm Robert Jenkins and I head up education at UNICEF. The coronavirus outbreak has thrown extraordinary challenges at parents, many millions of whom are now trying to juggle work, childcare, and education at home. As a parent myself, I'd like to offer 5 simple tips for parents to help their children learn from home. Tip number 1, plan a routine together. Try to establish a routine which factors in learning, playtime, and also reading. And don't forget to come up with these plans together as much as possible. Tip number 2, please take your time. Start with shorter learning sessions and make them progressively longer. If the goal is ultimately to have a 30 or 45-minute session, start with 10 minutes and build up from there. Within a session, to the extent possible, please combine online or screen time with offline activities or exercises. Tip number 3, have open conversations. Encourage your child to ask questions and express their feelings. Remember that your child may have very different reactions to stress, so let's all try and be patient and understanding. Start by inviting your child to talk about the issue, find out how much they already know, and then follow their lead. Discuss good hygiene practices like washing hands and not touching their face. Tip number 4, protect children online. Digital platforms provide endless opportunities for children to keep learning, play, and also keep in touch with their friends. But increased online access also brings heightened risks for children's safety, protection, and their privacy. Establish rules together about how, when, and where the internet can be used, and set up parental controls wherever necessary, particularly for younger children. And finally, tip number 5, please try and stay in touch with your children's school. Find out how best to stay in touch with your children's teacher and to stay informed, ask questions, and work in partnership with them. Parent groups and community groups can also be a great way to support each other with your homeschooling. Best of luck with all of this, and please visit unicef.org for the latest information on COVID-19 and how to protect yourselves and your children during this very challenging time. Thank you.